Investing can feel scary. Lots of big words, numbers going up and down, feels like a casino, but investing is important. It helps your money grow bigger over time. You don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need to be an expert. Just start small and learn as you go. Investing is like planting a tree. You put a little seed in the ground, your money. Over time, it grows into something big and strong. The power of compound interest makes your money grow exponentially. With patience and consistency, your investments can secure your future. Look at this chart. See how money grows bigger when you invest it? This is the power of investing. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about letting your money grow slowly and steadily over time. Different types of investments can help your money grow. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds are all ways to invest. Historically, the stock market has shown long-term growth. Bonds offer more stable, but usually lower returns. Real estate can provide rental income and value appreciation. Mutual funds diversify your investments, spreading risk. By investing wisely, you can watch your money grow over time. Index funds are like baskets of stocks. Instead of picking one stock, you own a tiny piece of many companies. This is less risky than betting on one single stock. It's like having a team of horses in a race. Index funds are simple and easy to buy. Many are available through your bank or online. They track the performance of a market index like the S&P 500. One of the biggest benefits is their low cost. To choose the right index fund, look at the expense ratio and the index it tracks. They are great for long-term investing and building wealth over time. With index funds, you can invest with confidence and ease. Compounding is like magic. It's when your money earns more money, and then that money earns even more. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It gets bigger and bigger as it goes. That's compounding. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Even small amounts add up over time. For example, if you invest $100 at an annual interest rate of 5%, in 20 years, it will grow to about $265. To maximize the effects of compounding, reinvest your earnings and make regular contributions. Over time, this can lead to significant growth in your investments, helping you achieve your financial goals. Start now and let the power of compounding work for you. Investing comes with risks and rewards. It's important to understand both. While investing can help your money grow, it also comes with the risk of losing money. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay patient and stay informed. The more you learn, the better your investment decisions will be. Starting to invest is easier than you think. First, set clear financial goals. What are you saving for? Retirement, a house, or an emergency fund? Next, create a budget. Know how much you can afford to invest each month. Then choose an investment platform. There are many online brokers and robo-advisors that make investing simple. Finally, start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. The key is to start and keep learning as you go. Happy investing. Staying informed is crucial for successful investing. Keep up with financial news and market trends, read books and articles about investing, follow reputable financial experts and advisors, join investment communities and forums. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious and keep learning. Your future self will thank you. Long-term investing has many benefits. It allows your investments to grow and compound over time. It reduces the impact of market volatility. It helps you stay focused on your financial goals. Long-term investing also takes advantage of the power of compounding. The longer you stay invested, the more your money can grow. So stay patient and stay invested. Your future self will thank you.